Jennifer, and I've got my day 14 advent for you. As you can tell, I batch film these. It's easier than to do them every day. So let's pull out the 14th and see what we've got. That's Southern Skeins, and the 14th on here is right here. And it says it is, see, it actually writes it on the door. It says it is a cream polyester thread. That'll be helpful. So that's real good. Awesome. So we got some cream polyester thread. That's a significant amount. So we got the cream polyester thread. We got the thimble, the knitting thimble. We got the seam ripper, and we also have the sewing gauge. So this is what we've got in the past few days. So that's really nice and helpful. And let's open up Southern Skeins. See if I can get into the little bag. They put a little tape across it there. Let you know what day it is. And here it is. Oh, beautiful. Oh, and it's two-tone. It's toned. It's tonal. I love that. So this is the 14th, the 13th, the 12th, and the 11th. How stunning are they? They're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And we need the 14th on the Woo Woo calendar. So on the 14th, we have some beautiful, beautiful red. It's red, but my camera makes it look orange. It's not orange, it's red. Yeah, see, this is red. It's red. Red. And it is to make some tiny mittens. How awesome is that? So yesterday, on the 13th, we got stickers. And today we got the mittens. The 12th, we got the star for the tree we were making early in the month. And we got this for the 11th, which is an elf hat. So these are awesome. Wow, I like it. I'm loving this one. This is awesome. So, awesome songs. One more day to do in my batch recording. So, in the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.